I'm here with the cast of Tribes. We're so excited. It's Big Give Day. Give to the Playhouse. The Big Give! Woo! It's Big Give Day. So excited. We're here at Tribes rehearsal. Everything is in full swing. We're opening in 2 weeks. I'm here with director John O'Neill. Very excited to have him here. Would you mind telling us a little bit about Tribes is about?
Yes, I think Tribes is a comedy about a family who has trouble communicating. It also looks at communication in various forms, spoken language, sign language, foreign language, and it suggests that sometimes we have bias and prejudice in the way we communicate and even the way we're willing to respect or love somebody else.
And tell us a little bit about what it's been like working in this space, with this show, with these characters.
Well, first of all, it's so easy because we have a great cast, but also we have a great support team. I've always enjoyed working at the Playhouse. They have a terrific team of designers and people who are there to do nothing else but support you and put together a good show with you. So it's always been a special place for me, and yay Playhouse.
So in case you can't tell, we're here in the Cellar Theater where we're trying to bring more new works to San Antonio. Things like Tribes. We also have a show, Two Sisters and a Piano, coming up following that. We're so excited to have the opportunity to do that here, but it's with your support, with your giving, Big Give, that we're able to do that. So thank you for your community support. Thanks for supporting Tribes. We're going to let them get back to rehearsal. Have a great day. Stay tuned.